Welcome back on the west side of Chicago. Another day of progress here. Our 2-unit investment property renovation with Lashley Construction Group. This morning started with plumbers returning to widen the pipe holes in the floorboards to properly connect the elbow fittings. The updated interior framing shifted the alignment, so adjustments were needed to make everything fit cleanly and meet code. Upstairs, the energy continues. The crew is locked in, framing out the interior of the upper unit. Victor teams up with Addolyn on the dormer framing. Chuy is cutting fresh lumber for Poncho's next set of measurements, each move building toward a finished space that'll feel brand new. That's today's update from Lashley Construction Group. Day by day, cut by cut, this West Side gem is coming back to life. Stay locked in, more progress is coming soon. If you're into real-time renovation updates, drop us a comment and let us know what part of the process you want to see more of. And don't forget hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a day of progress. Thanks for watching, see you on the next update.